Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to discuss about the persistent system query that is asked by the students. Persistent systems students query. So one of the student asked about, I and my friends have received the mail for direct drona interview. So drona interview means it is for the 9 lakh package. Drona interview, that is for the 9 LPA. We have not gone through the super achiever test. Means super achiever test, that is they are conducted a online test, super achiever test, that is for 9 LPA. Okay, like those who are qualified, means those who are like completed this 7 LPA process. Okay, after clearing this 7 LPA, based upon their performance, like they allowed this 9 LPA super achiever test. Okay, so but these guys are they are not gone through that super achiever test. Then what type of interview is this? Okay, so they asked about, means even they got confusion. Okay, is it a drona or something else? Okay, so this is the I think the guy is having a channel. Okay, the Android show. So his question is clear. Okay, the question, like what he is asked about, he's not gone through the super achiever test. Okay, he is not gone through the super achiever test. Okay, that is for 9 lakh, but still he has got for interview mail for the 9 lakh package. Okay, so it is like based upon your performance. Okay, so based on your perform, maybe, okay, it is my assumption. Okay, based on your performance. Okay, based on your performance in higher package, that is 7.5 LPA. Okay, so maybe based upon your performance in the, because there is no that much difference between the 7.5 higher package online test and that 9 LPA online test. There was not that much of difference. Okay, so maybe based upon your performance in the 7 LPA, so they like maybe they sent a mail. They sent a mail for the super achiever, that is a 9 LPA. Okay, 9 LPA test, 9 LPA interview. Okay, so maybe for, because for that they sent a mail. Okay, so you just try to attend it. Okay, because last year also it is happened. Okay, last year also, like not for higher package, as last year there were very few students they are recruited. But the thing is, what happened is, like initially, like they are hired like around 12 to 15 students they are hired. Okay, in the first lot. Okay, in the first lot they are hired around 12 to 15 students. Okay, then after the 2 months, okay, after 2 month, after 2 to 3 months, I think after the 2 to 3 months. Okay, so these guys, like the remaining guys. Okay, those who are appeared online test, those who are appeared online test, but even they didn't get any interview call and all, but they were appeared for the online test. And these guys, like they got a call for interview. They got a call for interview in the second slot. Okay, second slot. So it depends, anything can happen. Okay, so I means, if suppose if you are received this drona interview mail, so my assumption is that maybe based upon your performance. Okay, maybe based upon your performance in the higher package. Higher package means like you are up, you are already, I think, gone through the 9 LPA, and based upon your performance in this 9 LPA, you are received the mail. Okay, so you just be confident, you just attend the interview. Okay. Okay, so it is your interview only for 9 lakh package interview only. Okay, so you can just attend the interview. Okay, so it happens. See, it is drona only, as you have mentioned, no? Like the direct drona interview. Okay, if they are mentioned in your mail like it is a drona interview, then definitely it is drona interview only. Or suppose if it is any technical interview, okay, if suppose if you received a mail for technical interview, you just attend it because at least because even though if you are gone through the process, if you are already completed, but still you are received the interview means you attend it. Okay, because I think you are in a process, you are in a 7.5 LPA maybe, as per my knowledge. Okay, so if there is a luck, definitely you will get this also 9 LPA. So you attend the interview. Okay. Akhil is asking about I selected for base package, okay, 4.71 LPA. Is there any chance to write the persistent exam for higher package while working in the persistent in the future? No. Means as per my knowledge, and even I discussed with the 2021 batch students. Okay. So there is no chance. There is no chance for there is no chance for the a higher package after joining. Okay, higher package after the joining. Okay, after joining there is no like such a chance to like to get for the higher package. There is no there is no chance, and means they don't conduct any test. Okay, they don't conduct any test to increase your salary. Okay, that is based upon your performance only. And also like one more thing, that there is no with persistent there is no bond, there is no agreement here. Okay, with the persistent there is no bond, there is no bond or agreement. Okay, even after the training also there is no agreement, there is no agreement or no bond. That is one advantage for the students. Okay, but for the TCS and all, there will be a bond. Okay, so but with persistent there is no such agreement. Okay, the increment will be based upon the performance only. Okay. Then there is one more job lenders YouTube channel. I think the student is asked one question. I received the welcome mail and have completed my registration in site. Okay, it means in the particular web page on the website he has completed. Yes, okay, so you are like received the welcome mail, so that indicates like you are finally you are selected, right? So finally you are selected in the persistent. Now you will receive the mails and to accept the offer, accept or reject. Okay, so accept or reject. So once you accept your offer, then you will receive the e-offer letter. Once you accept, then you will receive a e-offer letter. Okay, you will receive the e-offer letter. So and after that you have to upload the document and all. Okay, so you just make an arrangement of your mark sheets. Okay, your whatever the mark sheets and PAN card number. Okay, so you just make an arrangement of all these things. Okay, so yes, she's asking question. Yes, I got the selection letter on mid September. Okay, when would I get the offer letter? Okay, so you are received the welcome, I think. selection letter. You got the selection letter. Selection letter means I think welcome mail. So you are received your welcome mail. Okay, and so the next, I think in the welcome mail only, I think you are required to like response. Okay, you have to give some response, whether like you are accepting or rejecting, right? So so the next process will start. Okay, next process, like your document uploaded and all that, they will send a link means that to your mail, registered mail id, you will receive. Okay, but in the welcome mail, I think you have received that particular link, no? I think you within a particular deadline, you have to respond, like whether you are accepting or rejecting, I think. So that process you are completed maybe. So you will receive your the next mail, like you can generate the e-offer letter, and you can upload the documents and all. Those mails will receive. You just be in contact with your friends also. Okay, those who are whether they are received or not, just check it out. And also your friends are received and you are not received means you are just contact to your TPO. Sometimes it is also happened with some students. More in same college, few students are received and few students are not received the mail. Means welcome mail they are received, but the remaining mails, they are few students are not received. Okay, so that it will be solved from the persistent side. Okay, if any such queries are there, no, so they will solve. But the main thing is you have to make a track. You have to inform to the TPO. Okay, if there is a case like your friends are all friends are received but you are not received. Okay, if there are such cases are there. Okay, so that is about. And I think few students, like they asked whether they provide the laptop. Yes, they provide the laptop. So before the training, okay, before training they will send a feedback link. Okay, in the feedback link or like consent form. So in that you have to provide your requirement. Okay, means you require a laptop. They will collect whether do you have the laptop or not. Okay, okay, but they will provide the laptop. And also like no agreement. There is no agreement or bond. This is very important. There is no agreement between the you and the employer. Even after training also there is no agreement or no bond. But it is different with the TCS and Infosys. So these companies are having a 1 year bond. 1 year agreement will be there. Okay, 1 year agreement. So you just note down these points. Wishes, did anyone not get job after the welcome? No, still time is there. Okay, Wishes. See, your joining will be okay, like 2022, I think May or June month. Okay, so still you are having 7 to 8 months time. Okay, now you cannot say like anyone is not get job offer. Okay, so those who are received the welcome mail, no, 100% 100% he is selected, but they'll verify the document and it takes time. Okay, it will takes a time. Even though if there is any mistake from their side, even though like they sent a mail and if they are not received the next mail and all, they will solve those issues. So persistent will 100% from their side they will solve all those issues. So you are required to communicate to your TPO. if you have any such problem. So Hers is asking about, I have shifted my house and in previous, okay, you have shifted your house and in previous form of persistent or on time when I give MTech, that MCAT, okay, MCAT test. I given the previous address, but at documentation time, what should I do? No, during the documentation, you give your present address, whatever the permanent address. Okay, you give the permanent address, whichever the permanent address. Okay, or okay, permanent address only you mention, and current address you can mention, but maybe you will change in the future. No, in your Aadhaar card, maybe there may be some address, right? In Aadhaar card, you are having a address, permanent address, so you can because for address verification and all it is required, no, so you can just mention it permanent address. Okay, because it is safer side, permanent address. And you can change also, like if there is any such address, no address issue and all, you can communicate to the help desk. You can communicate to help desk. Okay, they like region wise there will be a particular mail ID, no, region wise for Pune region, Nagpur region, Bangalore region, there will be a specific mail ID. So you can contact, suppose if you are having such issues, they will solve. Okay. Vaibhav. So Vaibhav is asking about Infosys 5LP versus persistent 4.71 LP. Okay, as per my experience, okay, as per my experience with the students, okay, my experience with the students, okay, so like even the students also, they will prefer this one. They will prefer the persistent with, if we compare this salary, okay, 4.71 or 5 lakh. So most of the student, they will prefer the persistent for the joining in such case. Suppose if it is Infosys, they will provide 8 LP also. In this case, you can shift to this one if they are providing the 8 LP. Then you can go ahead. But 5 lakh means you can prefer this one. Persistent, you can prefer it. That is a good thing. Okay, persistent will be good. Means it is just like I am telling based upon the students, means those who are working, no, based upon the students feedback. Students means like their opinion, based upon that, just I'm telling, it is up to you, you can decide it. Both are top MNC companies, both are top MNC companies. Okay, and from both the company you will explore a lot of things. You will explore like the training in Infosys. Okay, earlier they used to, like in the Mysore campus, they used to provide a training 3 months. Okay, so in your lifetime you should get that training. Okay, only lucky people, they get training at Mysore campus, such a beautiful large campus, from Infosys. Okay, so both the company are, okay, but it is like it is a product based company, that is the one thing, and as per your convenient you can think about that. Okay, so at what stage At what stage we gonna know our job roles? Okay, Harsha, I think at the after training, after training or during the training also. Okay, during the training, they will allocate like you are on Java technology or .NET technology or UI. Okay, on which technology or Python? So on which technology they are providing? Randomly they will allocate. Randomly they will assign for the training. Okay, randomly. So randomly they will allocate either Java or Python or .NET. Okay. So based upon that you can it's a software developer role only. Okay, software developer role only, but on technology that you can decide with respect to persistent. This is as per 2021 batch data. Okay. So Vaibhav is asking how much time we will work during the internship on a day. How many hours? This I'm not sure about this. Okay, internship no. They provide a task and even training also they will provide, but it depend upon the task and depend upon the team. So how many hours? But just keep in mind, like you are a student, and based upon they know like you are an intern. You are not a full time employee. Okay, you are not a full time employee, right? So based upon this, they will assign the task. Okay, you are just an intern. Okay, your position is an intern. Okay, so based upon that intern position only, they will assign the task because they know like you are having the academic also. So if they know, and based upon that only they will assign. Okay, and they will mention all these things during the internship, and it is not compulsory. Internship is not compulsory. Abhishek. Chances of work from office for 2020. Actually, like I interacted with the 2021 batch, no? As these guys are told like from maybe January. From the January 2022, like they may call, they are calling from means like they are joining physically. They are joining the physically because two doses are compulsory vaccination and all for all the employees, those who are involved, I mean, those who are working at place. So maybe January 2022, it is possible joining physically. Means for your batch, like you people are like May or June month, you will get a joining. So as per the last year data, I'm telling. So last year, guys, they joined 2021 May month. May 24 का joining था उनका 2021 May 24th 2021 for the last year batch. So for with respect to that, you also maybe get on the same day, same month. So Vishesh, every company provides under 5 LP in starting. Not talking about big MNC. And yeah, nowadays no, like almost all the company they are providing plus or minus. Okay, around 30. Okay, plus or minus. They are providing the salary. Okay, even you can say TCS also 3.36 plus 60,000 incentives are there. Like once you clear the clear some courses, I think some courses are there, TCS courses. So if you clear that, around 4k they are, 4 LPA they are paying, you can say 4 LPA they are paying TCS. Okay. And Harsh, the role is like the software developer, okay, software engineer role only. Okay, Harsh, software engineer role they are providing, software engineer role based upon the technology, either Java or .NET or Python. And this time Persistent has allowed CAC, IT, electronics, ENTC guys also. Okay. So software engineer role. Software engineer means it covers complete package. Okay. Cross-functional team means you should have a knowledge of all the full stack development skills. Okay. Okay, guys, we'll end this video. And if you have any questions, just you put it in a comment so that I'll answer, or any other